I'm Patrick Bailey with IQList.com. Today is April 30th, 2022, and in this video I'm going to show off some angel wing carabiners I created in OpenSCAD, remixing an angel wing print that I found on Printables. Okay, now show off some of these angel wings. So I made a left and a right, and I did get these angel wings off of Printables, and I'll put a link in the show notes to that. But then what I did, I took OpenSCAD and used some of the Carabiner code I used before, where I have the negative space, but I needed to add some space here because this piece wasn't here, and this piece wasn't here. You can kind of see it ridging up and coming over here. So this is all added in OpenSCAD and kind of merging back in. But then I just really like the results. I mean, we got a flat back, of course. Nothing special there, but I think it's kind of cool. I stuck it on the backpack, and my daughter thought it was cool. My wife thought it was kind of neat. I don't think it makes a practical keychain or anything, but a nice little goofy accessory to stick on the back of a backpack. So with that, let's go over the numbers and go over some of the details. Okay, let's show some URLs here. So the original angel wings are out here on Printables by NC Sander, and I guess the idea, they put them out there for other people to design off them. So that's what I am doing. So I've grabbed them, done this design, and actually it's up there on Printables. You can go download it and print it right now. And I kind of think it's a pretty interesting design. A little different. I like it. A weird kind of carabiner idea. But with that, let's go over the numbers. So to print one of these, and you may need to double these numbers because just to print one, it took 4 hours and 27 minutes to print. It took 4.7 cents of electricity, and it weighs 0.036 kilogram, and at $20 per kilogram comes out to 72 cents for the material. So all in, 77 cents to print this guy. So I guess for two, you're talking a little bit over $1.50. So not too bad, not too bad. Now with that, we can show the OpenSCAD. Now I haven't put the OpenSCAD out anywhere yet because I'm still debating on what I want to do with it. Because if you've seen another video I did, I was kind of showing this idea where I was trying to reuse the Carabiner gate, which I like, from FF3D. I know I'm going to say that wrong. I always say it wrong. But another guy made these great carabiners. I like the gate. So I'm trying to reuse the gate in other designs. So I made this negative space. You can see this red space here. And so this is the negative space that you need to erase from someplace, something else. And so what I did is I took this, kind of rearranged this wing as best I could, kind of going here and there. In fact, if I take this out, if I take away extra stuff in Carabiner, we'll see there's just that. And if I add back in the extra stuff, all I was doing, I was trying to make little cylinders and hulls. And so you can make these cylinders, and what you can actually do is you can make a cylinder, and you can make another cylinder that's smaller that goes down, and that kind of creates that slope. So I'm trying to create that where it kind of merges into the other design. So that might be an interesting video to do, to go over the details on this, which I'm not going to do in this video, but there's an idea there. So you can have these holes that connect, and they go down. And then here's the negative space. Boom. There we go. And then once we do that and we do the difference, we should see it subtracts that space from those guys, and then we have a valid carabiner that'll work. And so it's as simple as that. So I'm kind of liking this design. We'll see if anyone else likes it. I think it might be, I don't know if it'll be a hit, but it'll be definitely something interesting to show off at the homeschool conference. And I may even be able to sell it one or two. Because it might be an interesting thing to stick on a backpack. You know, a little wing. I don't know, interesting. Not something you're going to stick in your pocket, but I kind of like it. I like it because here we're mixing two other designs, the Carabiner design from someone else and the wing design from someone else, and kind of making them all mesh together and work. Interesting. Anyway, I like it. We'll see where we go with that. So with that, let's wrap this up with a reminder that 3D printing is an adventure that you're on. You can develop your skills and knowledge and take this in so many ways. You can make a business out of this. You can teach others. And you can make some amazing designs. So design it, engineer it. I am down a printer. My Prusa Mini had its thermistor on the heat bed finally break its connection. I have a new one coming from Prusa in a few days. I need to get this going, as I need to get lots of stuff ready for the homeschool conference. My daughter's already getting on me. She wants a lot more little dinosaur skulls ready for these kids. My daughter helps me with the booth, so it should be, it's frustrating. But at least I have one. So for those of you out there who are new to 3D printing, one 3D printer is fantastic. But at some point, if you start doing a lot of it, boy, you sure want two, because if one's down, you got that other one to use. So, and also it is nice to have that extra output when you need to get a lot of work done.